Okay, so this is question number 7. Okay, now here we have a mod of x in the base. Okay, now if you look at the main condition here, the main condition is going to be that this log is valid only when you have a positive real number in the argument, which means that x squared plus x plus 1, it should be greater than 0. Okay, now this thing should be greater than 0. It means that this is fine for all real values of x. You can put any real value of x here, and you can put any value of x here. You will see that it's going to be greater than 0. So it means that x holds true, or sorry, this equality holds true for all the values of x, all the real number values of x. Okay, now here we can take case 1, okay, and here case 2, okay, case 2. So here case 1 would be, what's going to be my case number 1, when our base is less than greater than 1, right? Greater than 1 means increasing function, right? So from here, either x is greater than 1 or minus x is greater than 1. Okay, so it means x is greater than 1, and from here I can say x is going to be less than minus 1. Okay, so this is going to be the conditions on the base, right? Now, take the equality, because this is increasing function. So what would happen here? X squared plus x plus 1, it's greater than 0. The sign will not change. So from here, not 0, but x to 0, which is going to be 1. Okay, so from here x squared plus x, it's going to be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so from here I have x plus 1, and here greater than equal to 0. So if I draw it, so this is my critical points minus 1, and here 0. Okay, so here greater than equal to 0, it means what? Now I cannot take, because if I take here 1, then what would happen? Then there is going to be the problem. Okay, so let's see. So this thing is going to be greater than 0 only for what values? If this one, right, and here 0, because this has positive sign in the leading coefficient. It's going to be the upward parabola, and then the positive values of y, it will come from the domain in this region, right? So, and from here, here x is greater than 1. So this is 1 here, 1, 1, and here x is less than minus 1. So means this region, and here this region. So what's the common region? So the common region would be minus infinity to minus 1, and from here union 1 to infinity, right? Okay, now we can take case number 2 here. Case number 2, it says that 0 mod x should be between 0 and 1. Okay, so here x, and here 0 minus x 1. So here x 1, and here minus 1 x 0. Okay, so these are going to be two conditions, and here it's going to be a decreasing function. So sign of the inequality, it will get reversed. So here x squared plus x plus 1 less than equal to 1, right? And here x squared, so here it's going to be the final factors are going to be this. So less than, now less than means that you have to look for the negative values, right? So this is -1, this is 0. So here it's going to be the upward parabola. So this region will satisfy the equality. Okay, and then here we have x from 0 to 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, so x is from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means this region, 0 to 1, and here -1 to 0. -1 to 0 means this one. Okay, so what's the common region? The common region would be -1 to 0. So from here, x belongs to -1 to 0. Okay. Um, Now, if we take now this here, this is r because this is a variable. So we don't know if the base is greater than 1 or it is between 0 and 1. So what we have to do, we have to take the union of these two things, and then we have to put the main condition. But main condition is it is true for all r, right? So means x can be any real number. So here, if we uh, it's going to be x belongs to 2 minus infinity to -1 uh, union -1 to 0 union 1 to infinity. Okay, so when you put main condition here, so again this is going to be your answer because it says for all r. So for all r on the number line, and when you will try to find the common area, you will get this as the common area. So this must be your answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.